Hello, I hope you all are well. You are watching Study Time YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe my channel before watching the video. In today's video, I will tell you about essay inflation. As you know, inflation never goes down. Inflation means general increase in price or increase in the supply of money. Inflation is a broad, variable and complex term. Only economists can have its better comprehension from economic point of view. Money is power, freedom a question, the root of all evils, the sum of blessing. It is hard to understand its various kinds for a layman. There is creeping inflation. It is a healthy trend as it increases the development. Walking inflation affects saving. Running inflation is hard to control. It affects consumptions and economy. If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Demand pull inflation is because of aggregate in demand of a commodity. Cost push Cost push inflation occurs when cost of production increases. Moderate inflation is a good economy. Inflation is not an unexpected and unpredictable phenomena. Its seeds are sown because of mismanagement, weak or low market knowledge, indifferent attitude towards economic indicators. Inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomena. Weak administrative machinery, absence or lack of check and balance, bureaucratic manipulation, inadvertent boarding, and strong association of the market leaders. Inflation is the crabgrass in your savings. Disturbance in demand and supply ratio is yet another factor. Inflation is a menace in the poor or underdeveloped or developing countries. It badly affects life standard of the people. Domestic inflation reflects the domestic policy. It increases poverty and decreases purchasing power. Inflation creeps slowly into economic system and assumes magnitude by creating an alarming situation. Inflation is as violent as a mugger. Inflation destroys or disturbs market balance badly. Inflation increases unemployment and as a result not only skilled but also unskilled workers are laid off. It creates future social problems. It permeates in our social fabric and disturbs everything. Writer says inflation is the parent of the unemployment. Anxiety and depression are the immediate outcomes of inflation. It eats up purchasing capacity of the people. Inflation is taxation without legislations. It belittles the efforts done by the bread earners to meet the growing need of their families. Inflation gives rise to dishonesty and corruption. Nothing so weakens a government as inflation. Inflation is the biggest problem of any developed or developing country. Its removal is very important to become a developed country. Inflation is one of the biggest cause of poverty. Production is only answer to inflation. For the removal of poverty from the country, it is most essential to minimize the effect of the inflation. There is a popular belief that when prices increases, they never decreases. Inflation is the only form of punishment without legal substantiation. It is the truth to some extent. However, we can minimize the effect of inflation by concentrated efforts. Writer says inflation is like toothpaste. Once it's out, you can hardly get back in again. Inflation can be controlled by a long-term and short-term sound economic planning. Market competition can bring about reduction in inflation. Local industry should be promoted to reduce the inflation. Inflation is just like alcoholism. The good effects come first. Accessible and cheaper goods can minimize the adverse of the inflation. These can also provide people with alternative. The natural tendency of the state is inflation. This may affect the standard of living, but people are protected against adverse effect of inflation. Proper monitoring and regulatory control can help in reducing inflation. Inflation makes the wealthiest people richer and the masses pressure. Retailers and hawkers sell things of daily use at their own will. They do so because there is no check and balance. Inflation takes from the ignorant and gives to the well informed. There is nobody to enforce law and evaluate the prices at which things are sold. Inflation can be viewed as an international phenomenon. The safe way to double your money is to fold it over once and put it in your pocket. Only sound planning by the government can avert it. Inflation is a devastating problem. Inflation is a form of tax, a tax that we all collectively must pay. Inflation is a misery and people can be saved from this misery only through the mutual efforts. Inflation is just a monetary factor. To sum up, inflation in any form undermines the very foundation of our social setup. Inflation is the root of social evil. It makes the rich richer and the poor poorer. It carries the social stigma that breeds the dissatisfaction among all the functions of the society. Inflation is the root of the social evil. Inflation is very serious problem which should be solved. Its solution is the proper planning by the government. Inflation is a regression of the consciousness. The government should take educate measures to control the social evil. The proper and educate measure taken by the government can solve the problem of inflation. So viewers, you know that the presentation in the paper is very important. We can get the best marks in exams with our presentation. So remember, you have to take great care of the presentation. You see, first I wrote the paragraph, then I wrote the quotation. If you want to write a quotation first, then it's up to you. As you know that the length of the article must be 13 to 15 pages, otherwise 9 to 11 pages are maximum. Hope you all liked the video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.